is here, aka K Slay Day, and I'm back with another video. So today we will be reviewing the Aina X ABH palettes. Isn't it so pretty? So it's been a lot of drama over this palette, a lot of controversy, a lot of criticism, and I really just wanted to try the palette out for myself so that I know how it works. This is the first palette that I bought from Anastasia. I do support Aina. She gives a lot of awareness and a lot of, I don't know how to explain it, but she gives like the perspective of a dark-skinned women, and I really was very excited when she said that she was releasing this palette and she was really thinking about dark-skinned women, because they get left out a lot, and most brands aren't really thinking of everybody. So dang, I can't get this palette out this box. So here she is. And these are the shades. Yeah, this is like her personality. I know like she likes these browns, purples, greens. This is like her personality, and I would love to try these out. So I have my base already done, and I will be doing my eyes. First, I'm going to start off with ginger right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Now I'm taking credit right here, and I'm deepening out that crease. Now I'm going right back into ginger and blending that right in between to give it a gradual. Now I'm going in with Big Wig and putting that on my lid. Now I'm taking Shookington and putting that right next to that purple. Now I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and trying to blend everything together. And then I'm going to take Zam, and I'm going to use that in my inner corner. Big Wig and doing my eyeshadow under my eye. And that is my eyeshadow all done, and then I'm going to go and apply lashes. Well, that is my eyes all done. I put lashes on. And this is my face all finished. I just want to give my final thoughts on the Aina palette. I think it was a very good palette. It's a very black girl friendly. It has a lot of colors that I don't see in regular palettes, and that cater specifically to dark-skinned women, women of color. I am very happy that this is a palette that she decided to make. I really like the brand that she collaborated with. The formula is really good. The colors are very pigmented, very blendable. I didn't see anything patchy. I recommend this palette 110%, especially if you're a woman of color. And I feel like it has a really good color scheme, and it feels really good to support. It feels really good to support a influencer that I look up to see her go through all this drama and everything, and have such a beautiful product come out of it. I am so proud of her, and I can't wait to see what she does in the future, and so happy that I tried it out. I want to say congratulations to her. I know she just got engaged, but everything is approved. If you like this video, you can leave a like, comment down below. Make sure that you subscribe, because I will be doing reviews on all the new products that are coming out. Make sure you share this video. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and yes, our goal is 1,000 subscribers, and it would mean the world to me if you could subscribe, and why don't you check out the other videos. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.